Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the best wallpaper application which is designed for the middle punch hole mobile phones. As you can see, friends. So in this example, I did use the IQ7 smartphone and MI Linux device, as you can see here. I'll try to go through this application, how to use the wallpaper and what are the different modes you are having in this wallpaper application. And very soon I'll be giving away 15 promo codes for this particular wallpaper application, friends. So make sure to join in my Instagram page. So all the links will be available in the description below. Try to click that Instagram link and which will take you to this page where you can find the giveaway details. Everything will be available in the description below. So let's get started with the application name, what it is and what are the things to know as well. So the application name is called the Wallpix application, as you can see, friends. So this is the application which I am using for the past few years, and it's really good and very useful application, friends, especially for this middle punch hole mobile phones. So once you download the application, it will ask you to select two different devices, as you can see. This application wallpapers are designed for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 20, but Samsung Note 10 and Note 20, they do have middle punch holes. So whatever Android phone you are using, if it has got the middle punch hole camera, then definitely you can use even for your mobile phone. But one thing is that you need to check which device will be suitable for your punch hole. So sometimes some mobiles, they do support the Note 20, some mobiles they do support the Note 10. So depending on your mobile, so try to select different phone options. For example, if I select the Note 20, what happens is that whenever I try to create a live wallpaper, the punch hole wallpaper, the punch hole will be slightly towards outside. So that's why you need to select the exactly change the mobile phone, then the problem will get fixed. So this is what the page, friends, this is how it looks. All the abstract and everything is available here, but we are not bothered about this one. We are only bothered about the punch hole camera wallpapers, as you can see. So if you go to this trending option, in this trending option you can find all this kind of punch hole related wallpapers, as you can see, friends. The reason why I'm saying the promo codes, because if you're using the pro version, for the pro version you do have all this kind of live wallpaper facility. So not only don't bother about this live wallpaper, but the thing is, like, I did like this punch hole live wallpaper, as you can see, friends. Punch hole live wallpaper is kind of really unique way of using in your smartphones. So that's why if you want to have the promo code, so make sure to join my Instagram page, so there you can get the information. So especially like this Spider-Man like punch hole, as you can see, friends, it's really unique and really useful. So this is the main purpose of this application. Is very simple to use, and let me try to select this wallpaper as my as you can see, desktop wallpaper. So you do get the option of saving, but you need to have the pro version, but you can add it a favorite and set as a home screen. That's it, done. And it will be automatically set to the punch hole, as you can see, friends, which is neatly aligned and it looks really good. And so this is another easiest way to utilize this punch hole type cameras in the middle. It's really good. And let me try to open and show you the live wallpapers which are available, few more in this application. And there are a few more live wallpapers which I particularly like. The Spider-Man I like, and even this one also I like, this cartoon. You can see, friends, live wallpaper which is going on the top. So once you add all your favorite wallpapers, so try to check in these favorites ones, you'll get to know all the details. And these are how I'll be doing, friends. Every time I like a wallpaper, I'll try to click on the favorite and everything will be stored here. Instead of searching every time, this is the easiest way to do. And one more thing, at the moment the wallpapers are kind of limited, so try to scroll down. So there will be only few wallpapers which are available right now, as you can see. So the list goes on, but still it's kind of little bit limited, but the list is increasing time to time. That is what I can see, friends. The list is increasing from the beginning to till now. As you can see, so many wallpapers. The list is definitely increasing, friends. Some wallpapers may not support punch hole type. Some wallpapers will be designed for the punch hole, but definitely you can see there are so many wallpapers. But this punch hole type camera wallpapers are increasing day by day and every week as well. And the developer is also really good in terms of providing amazing wallpapers every time updating the application. That's another good thing, friends. Here, as you can see, it looks really amazing in my phone. So make sure to comment below, friends, what are your thoughts, and definitely I'll try to come up with another new applications and new giveaways for most of the wallpapers and other things. And make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, and don't forget to check the links in description and do follow the giveaway rules. And definitely, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.